Welcome. ScMikePapa is now back on YouTube. Well, his real name's the Elevator Alarm Geek. Yeah, so now the Elevator and Alarm Geek is back on YouTube. And because of that, I'm going to make a fire alarm tour of Plant City for him. There's an exit sign, switches and thermostats, and I don't know what lights those are. An alarm over there, and I don't know the model of it. A smoke detector over there. A motion detector. No smoking sign. A fire Buckeye fire extinguisher. An ESL pole station. That's a T-bar actually. This is a fire alarm annunciator by Silent Night model 5230. There's a wheel lock RSS strobe. Another exit sign. Fan. And the alarms are wheel lock NT strobes. Another ESL pole. These are all the trains here. Fan spinning. More fans. An older set of lights, I think. A big dolly. You can lift a lot of stuff with that, freaks. 75, 60. This is also a tour for rail fans, so I'm not only doing a fire alarm tour, I'm doing other stuff. Exit sign. Another exit sign up there. Another ESL pole and a wheel lock. MT. Rail crossing sign. Other stuff. Another stuff. They're going kind of slow. Nothing coming. Oh, yeah, wheel lock RSS. There's my fire alarm tour of the Plant City train depot.